Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel for another video. It's Otisha here. I have a video today on this makeup using my Juvia's Place Wahala palette. If you're interested in seeing the look, then stay tuned. So we're going to start off by basing the eyes. I'm using my P. Louise base in number 7 on a small beauty blender. And then I'm going to go straight in with my first color, which is going to be Fire. And I'm going to use that on a Morphe E17 to go ahead and put that in the crease. Next, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite brushes, the Morphe M506, and I'm going to go into the colors Unsilenced and Busybody and use those to blend the outer corners of that first red shade. After I've got those shades nice and diffused, I'm going to go in and deepen up the look by taking BU, that deep maroon color, and I'm going to go in with just a round top blender brush to blend that nicely into the crease. To go back in for my lid color, I'm going to use my Morphe 417 brush, and then I'm going to use the Anastasia A7 brush with the P. Louise base and 0.5 to create some space for my shadows. Once I finish perfecting the shape of my cut crease, I'm going to go back in with the color Sis on a Morphe M575 and use that to blend the outer edges of my cut crease. Once I've gotten it nice and blended, I'm going to go in with all the shades that I've previously used and just go in and deepen up any colors that I feel like might be missing. I did go back in with more BU on the beginning of Sis because it was looking a little bit too like grayish and kind of taken away from the color. So I added that, and then I'm going to go in with my lid shades. So I'm using Envy first, and Envy is a nice dual chrome purple shadow. It kind of has some green reflex in it. So I'm going in with that on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm just using a no name brush to apply that. Next, I'm going to take the color Power, which is that green duochrome shade up there that kind of reflects purple in certain light. And I'm going to use that on an e.l.f. flat eyeshadow brush to go ahead and apply that to all the empty space on my eye. Okay, so we're almost done, y'all. I'm going to take this color Yanga, which is one of the pressed glitters in the palette, and I'm going to use that on a synthetic eyeshadow applicator to go in and lightly put a layer on top of the green. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all a little swatch of one of these pressed glitters, y'all. It is so pigmented, but I didn't want a chunky look of glitter, so I wanted it nice and dispersed. So all I do is take it on the back of my hand, lightly dust it, and then use whatever speckles are left to apply those to my eyelid. Alright, so I'm just going to go in with the eyebrow spoolie to get rid of any excess glitter that may have fallen out. And then I'm going to go off camera, put on my lashes, my full face, and then we'll be back to finish the lower lash line. I'm going in with a little P. Louise base to give my eyeshadow something to stick to. And then I'm going to take the color Love on a smudger brush and put that on the lower lash line. So this next part is totally optional. I'm using a little bit of eyelash adhesive so I can go in with the other pressed glitter in the color Clout. And I'm going to use that to dust right on top of that Love shade. For lips, I'm going to go in with my favorite liner of all time. This is ColourPop's BFF4. This is like a brown girl must-have. So I'm going to go in with that liner, and then I'm going to fill in my lips with the liquid lipstick by Arcade by Kiss in the shade Dune. And then I'm going to top it off with this Diamond Glow lip gloss by the brand Nika K. So once I finish with my lips, that'll be the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and of course, make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more content. And until the next video, I will see you guys later. Bye.